Good morning, student. I am Priyanka, and today I am going to teach you The Mask, which is written by Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray was a famous Indian film director, screenwriter, author, music composer, lyricist, graphic designer, and illustrator. His stories are simple and entertaining. So, in this story, we will read about Feluda. Feluda is a detective, and Topse is Feluda's cousin and the narrator of the story. He accompanies Feluda on all his adventures. Feluda and Topse are on a holiday in Darjeeling when this incident occurs. So, what is the incident we will read in this story? And in this, Feluda is going to investigate. Okay, so let's read. What is it? Feluda, when they went to Darjeeling, what is happening there? Feluda and Topse meet Rajan Babu. Rajan Babu? Who was a Rajan Babu? He was a living peaceful retired life in Darjeeling. So, he has some problem. What is the problem? Rajan Babu has been threatened by a letter posted to him which mentions that he will be punished soon for misdeeds of his past. Rajan Babu panics and agrees to have Feluda investigate the matter. So, Rajan Babu has developed an interest in antiques. So now they both are going to investigate. Feluda and Topse also meet Tinkori Babu. Tinkori Babu, who is staying at Rajan Babu's house as a paying guest for a few days. So they talk about the matter. Tinkori helps Feluda in his investigation. Feluda visits to Dr. Poni Mitra, Rajan Babu's physician, and comes with a theory that the doctors might have sent the letters in order to inspire fear in Rajan Babu and make him ill in order to get into business. So later, what is happening? Now, second incident. What is the second incident? Second incident happens in a following night. A man wearing a ghostly mask had entered Rajan Babu's room at night. Rajan Babu is extremely scared and agrees to Feluda and Topse staying at the night over at their place. The next day, they drop off Tinkori Babu at the station. Feluda then sets about checking the mask in Rajan Babu's room. He tries then on and discovers a faint smell of chariot in Tinkori Babu. Tinkori Babu, though, had left for Kolkata a day ago. So, it is later confirmed that it is indeed Tinkori Babu who is the real culprit. So that night, Feluda reached at an important conclusion. He had realized that the culprit was none other than Tinkori Babu when he found that the mask used in the crime had a faint smell of chariot. Chariot is a kind of cigar. Tinkori Babu's favorite type of cigar. Okay, so why he has done these things? So that is the reason. Some reasons was also there. Tinkori Babu was Rajan Babu's classmate in Bankura Missionary School and was unlawfully and seriously injured by Rajan Babu during a 100-yard race at the school's annual sports festival. Since Rajan Babu had left Bankura after the incident, Tinkori Babu never got a chance to avenge the incident. Then, after arriving at Darjeeling, Tinkori Babu could identify his old adversary from school an old photograph and decided to avenge that old incident. So, he sent the threatening letter and also scared Rajan Babu at midnight in Rajan Babu's bedroom wearing the mask. So, this is the story. So, at last Feluda find out who is the culprit. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.